Hi, how are you today?
I'm good, thanks. The weather feels nice today.
Yes, it does. It's cool and comfortable. Did you check the weather in the morning?
Yes, I did. The app said it would be partly cloudy, and it is exactly like that.
I like this kind of weather. It's not too hot and not too cold.
Same here. When the weather's like this, I feel fresh and active.
Do you prefer cold weather or warm weather?
I prefer warm weather, but not too hot. Extreme heat makes me tired.
True, summers can be very hot here. Sometimes it feels difficult to go outside.
Yes, especially in the afternoon. What about you? Which weather do you like?
I enjoy cool weather. I like when it's cloudy or raining lightly.
Oh, you like rain.
Yes, I do. It feels relaxing. I enjoy the sound of rain and cool wind.
I like rain too, but only when I'm at home. If I have to go out, it becomes difficult.
That's true. Roads get slippery and everything becomes slow.
Exactly. But today's weather is perfect. The sun is soft and the breeze is gentle.
Did you notice how the sky looks today? It has a mix of blue and white clouds.
Yes, I noticed. It looks beautiful. It feels like a peaceful day.
Do you think it might rain later?
I don't think so. The clouds are light. It doesn't look like rain.
Good. I have some outdoor work today, so I hope it stays like this.
I hope so too. This kind of weather is great for walking or sitting outside.
Yes. I might go for a walk in the evening.
That's nice. The evening breeze will feel even better.
Do you check the weather every day?
Not every day, but I check when I have plans or need to go somewhere.
Same here. Weather helps me decide what to wear or when to leave.
Exactly. If it's too sunny, I try to stay indoors. If it's cool, I go out more.
Makes sense. Weather affects our mood, too.
Yes, it really does. Today I feel calm because the weather is soft.
Me too. It's a nice change from the hot days we've had recently.
I agree. I hope the weather stays like this for a few more days.
Let's see. Weather keeps changing, but today is good, so let's enjoy it.
Absolutely. Good weather always makes the day better.
Absolutely. Good weather always makes the day better. So, what are your plans for the rest of the day?
I don't have any big plans. I just need to finish some work at home. What about you?
I have a few errands to run, and after that, I want to spend some time outside because the weather is pleasant.
That sounds nice. Do you usually go out when the weather is good?
Yes, I try to. Fresh air helps me relax and clear my mind.
I understand. A calm weather day feels peaceful. Sometimes I sit outside with tea and just enjoy the breeze.
That sounds really nice. Tea and good weather are a perfect match.
Exactly. Do you ever sit outside in the morning?
Sometimes. I like mornings when the air is cool and quiet.
I like that too. The morning air feels fresh, especially after a night of rain.
Yes, after rain, the weather becomes even cleaner. Everything smells fresh.
True. The ground, the plants, everything looks new.
Have you ever seen fog early in the morning?
Yes, a few times. Fog makes everything look soft and calm.
I like foggy mornings. They feel peaceful, but sometimes it's hard to see the road.
That's right. When there's too much fog, driving becomes difficult.
Weather really affects our day, doesn't it?
Yes, it does. Even small changes in temperature can change how we feel.
In winter, do you stay indoors more?
Yes, I do. Cold weather makes me want to stay warm and cozy at home.
Same here. I prefer sitting with a warm drink and watching the weather outside.
What's your favorite winter drink?
Hot chocolate. It feels perfect in cold weather. What about you?
I like tea the most. It warms me up instantly.
Tea is always a great choice. My family loves tea during winter too.
Do you enjoy sunny days in winter?
Yes, winter sunshine feels soft and warm. It's different from the strong summer sun.
Yes, winter sunshine feels gentle and comfortable.
Do you ever sit outside in the winter sun?
Yes, sometimes. It feels nice, especially in the morning.
I think good weather makes simple things feel special.
I agree. Even a short walk can feel enjoyable on a nice day.
Exactly. Weather shapes our whole day without us noticing.
Right now, the breeze feels perfect. It's soft and refreshing.
Yes, I feel the same. It puts me in a good mood.
Good weather always lifts the mood. I hope it stays like this for the evening, too.
Me too. Evening walks are great when the weather is calm.
Maybe you can take a walk after finishing your errands.
Yes, that's the plan. It will help me relax.
Good idea. Weather like today should not be wasted.
Weather like today should not be wasted. Do you think evenings are usually cooler here?
Yes, most evenings are cooler, especially after sunset. The temperature drops a little.
I like that. A light, cool breeze in the evening feels really nice.
Yes, it does. Do you check the evening weather before going for a walk?
Sometimes I do. If it looks cloudy or too windy, I stay home.
Makes sense. Strong wind can be uncomfortable.
Exactly. And if it's too cold, it's hard to stay outside for long.
That's true, but today's wind feels gentle. It's the kind of weather that makes you want to go outside.
Yes, the kind of day that feels calm and peaceful. Days like this don't come often.
You're right. Recently it was very hot for many days.
Yes, the heat was too much. Even at night, the temperature stayed high.
I remember. It felt like the air wasn't moving at all.
Exactly. No breeze, nothing. Just warm air everywhere.
But today is different. The air is cool and the clouds look light.
I think the weather is changing slowly.
Maybe. Sometimes small weather changes happen before a new season starts.
Do you like when seasons change?
Yes, I do. It feels refreshing to see the weather shift.
I like the early days of every season. Not too hot, not too cold.
Exactly. The beginning of spring is nice. The weather becomes soft.
And the beginning of autumn, too. The sun becomes gentle again.
Yes, and the evenings become cooler.
Do you think today feels a bit like early autumn?
A little, yes. The sky looks soft, and the breeze feels like a mix of warm and cool.
It's a very calm feeling. Days like this make me want to spend time outside.
Same here. Even simple activities feel enjoyable.
Like sitting in the park or reading a book outside.
Yes, or even just talking with someone outdoors.
Weather makes conversations feel better too.
That's true. When the weather is good, people feel more relaxed.
Right, and when it's too hot or too cold, people get irritated easily.
Exactly. Weather can change the whole mood.
Do you think the weather will stay the same for the next few hours?
I think so. The clouds are not dark and the breeze is steady.
Good. I hope it stays like this. I want to enjoy the evening.
You should. Good weather days feel like a small gift.
That's a nice way to say it. Yes, a small gift from nature.
We just have to notice it and enjoy it.
True. And today we're lucky. It feels perfect.
Yes, it really does.
It really does feel perfect. Do you think it might rain later?
I don't think so. The clouds look soft, not heavy. Usually heavy clouds mean rain.
Yes, dark gray clouds are a sign of rain, but today the sky looks clear enough.
Exactly, and the air doesn't feel humid. When it's about to rain, the air becomes heavy.
Right, and you can feel a kind of warm moisture before the rain starts.
Yes, but today the air feels light and fresh. That usually means no rain.
Good. I prefer dry evenings when I want to go out.
Same here. Rainy evenings are nice too, but only when I'm staying at home.
True. Watching rain from inside is relaxing, but being outside in rain is difficult.
Yes, especially when the wind is strong. The rain hits your face and makes it hard to walk.
Exactly, and the roads get slippery too.
Right, but light rain can be nice sometimes, especially in summer.
Yes, because it cools down everything.
Do you like rainy weather?
I like light rain, not heavy rain. What about you?
Same. Light rain feels peaceful. Heavy rain feels stressful sometimes.
Especially when you're outside and you don't have an umbrella.
Yes, that's the worst. Getting completely wet is uncomfortable.
Very true. But the smell after rain is nice.
Yes, the earth smells fresh and clean.
Nature feels new after a good rain.
Do you like cloudy days?
Sometimes. Cloudy days feel quiet, but if the clouds stay too long, everything looks dull.
Yes, cloudy days can make you feel sleepy.
Exactly. Sunlight gives energy. Without sunlight, the day feels slow.
But today the sunlight is soft, not too bright, not too weak.
Perfect balance. Even the brightness feels gentle.
Do you think sunsets look better on days like this?
Yes, because when the sky has soft clouds, the sunset colors spread beautifully.
I love watching sunsets. The colors always look special.
Same. Orange, pink, even a little purple sometimes.
Have you ever taken pictures of sunsets?
Yes, many times. They always look beautiful.
Sunsets and good weather make a day memorable.
That's true. Small things become moments to remember.
Exactly. Today feels like one of those simple but nice days.
Yes, a calm day with good weather.
I hope the evening stays as pleasant as it is now.
I hope so too. It would be perfect for a walk.
Yes, and the cool air will make the walk even better.
Do you usually walk in the evening or morning?
Mostly in the evening, the weather is calmer. What about you?
Same here. Evenings feel more peaceful. Evenings really do feel peaceful. The light becomes soft and the air cools down.
Yes, and people seem more relaxed in the evening. The whole atmosphere changes.
It's true. During the day, everything feels busy and noisy.
Exactly, but in the evening, the city becomes calm again.
Do you think the weather affects how people behave?
Yes, I think so. Good weather makes people happier and more friendly.
I agree. Even a simple breeze can improve someone's mood.
And sunshine can make people feel more active.
Yes, sunny weather brings energy. Cold weather makes people slow.
And very hot weather makes people tired quickly.
True. But today is just right. It feels balanced.
Yes, the temperature is perfect, not hot, not cold.
I like days when the weather feels natural and easy.
Me too. You don't have to think about jackets, umbrellas, or anything else.
Yes, you can just go outside without worrying.
Exactly. That's the best part of simple, comfortable weather.
I wish we had more days like this.
Yes, but weather keeps changing. That's just how nature works.
True. Maybe that's why we enjoy good weather even more, because it doesn't last forever.
You're right. When something is rare, we appreciate it more.
Well, at least today is beautiful. I'm happy about that.
Me too. It's a good day to relax and spend time outside.
Yes, maybe we can take a short walk before it gets dark?
That sounds nice. The sky might look even prettier during sunset.
Yes, and the breeze will get cooler as well.
Perfect evening weather. I'm looking forward to it.
Same here. Let's enjoy it while it lasts.
Absolutely. Good weather is a small gift. We should make the most of it.
Then let's step out and enjoy the fresh air.
Yes, let's go.